Welcome beautiful soul to our channel. Together we will set off on a beautiful journey deep inside ourselves and unlock the solar plexus chakra. Together let us listen to the frequency that resonates with the solar spot chakra. The solar plexus chakra, also known as Manipura, is the third chakra in the system of traditional Indian healing and spirituality. It is located in the solar plexus area, which is the upper abdomen, about 2 fingertips above the navel. It is associated with the element of fire and plays a key role in our emotions, personality, and willpower. Here are some key facts about the solar plexus chakra. 1. Symbolism and properties. The solar plexus chakra is associated with personal strength, self-confidence, self-expression, and decision-making. It is a power center that affects our ability to act and take initiative. 2. Emotions. Issues related to this chakra can lead to emotions such as fear, frustration, anger, and low self-esteem. A balanced solar plexus chakra promotes self-confidence, optimism, and determination. 3. Physical connections. Manipura is associated with the digestive system, liver, pancreas, and adrenal glands. Imbalances in this chakra can manifest as health problems in these areas. 4. Methods of harmonization. To balance the solar plexus chakra, you can use various techniques, such as meditation, breathing exercises, yoga, especially asanas that strengthen the abdomen, and the use of affirmations. Certain diets that are rich in yellow foods, e.g. bananas, lemons, corn, can also support this chakra. 5. Color. The color of the solar plexus chakra is yellow, which symbolizes energy and joy. Working on the solar plexus chakra can help strengthen your self-esteem, your ability to work with others, and your ability to function effectively in the world. The solar plexus chakra, also known as Manipura, is located in the abdominal area, just above the navel. It is associated with personal power, self-confidence, will, and emotions. Clearing this chakra can help restore balance, increase self-confidence, and improve overall well-being. Here are some methods that can help clear the solar plexus chakra. 1. Meditation. Focus on the solar plexus area. Imagine a bright, golden light filling this space. You can practice meditation with affirmations such as, I am confident, or, I have the power to shape my life. 2. Breathing. Deep breathing techniques can help calm the mind and clear the energy. Try the abdominal breathing technique. Inhale through your nose, allow your belly to rise, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. 3. Yoga. Yoga poses like sun salutation, warrior, and tree can help activate and harmonize the energy in the solar plexus chakra. 4. Colors and crystals. Yellow is the color associated with the solar plexus chakra. Surround yourself with this color or use yellow crystals like citrine or topaz to support its energizing. 5. Warm baths. A relaxing bath with essential oils, like citrus, can help clear energy and bring a sense of peace. 6. Movement. Physical exercise like dancing, running, or sports can help release pent-up energy and harmonize the solar plexus chakra. 7. Aromatherapy. Using essential oils like lemon, ginger, or patchouli can help cleanse your chakras. 8. Sound work. Listening to relaxing sounds, mantras, and specific frequencies, like 528 Hz, can help harmonize your chakras. Remember, every person is different, so experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Now lie down comfortably, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Listen to the music. Let's start.